Hey guys, so today we're going to be checking out some makeup hacks, tips, tricks that actually work from TikTok. Right here we have that concealer hack that has been trending. It's been trending for a really long time. And all you gotta do is put it underneath your eye and in the corner and then blend it out. The next hack that we have right here is exactly the same but the sharper point with contour. This works amazingly. I've tried it a couple of times before this and it works like magic. It's smooth like butter. The next hack that we have is the blush hack. Blush actually makes such a huge difference on your face. All it takes is the areas that you actually need to put the blush. When you're putting blush, just apply it just like contour and focus on the areas that need to be lifted rather than the areas that are straight. Right here we have somebody whose hairline is a bit receding, so all you need is some eyeshadow and a few strokes of eyeliner and you're good to go. Just conceal it up and you're good to go. 8 reasons. Now if you come to think about this, all these actually flow with each other. So you gotta be careful with each step that you actually take. So do not miss a step in between. Also, it's important that you take every type of skincare into consideration when you're doing your makeup. Right here we have somebody who's got the whole lash kit. This has been trending for a really long time. I never got my hands on it because I was too afraid to try it. This is the part that actually freaks me out, is where you gotta lift your lashes up. I really get scared there. But look at the difference. It looks so beautiful. It looks like you have real life mascara. This is what everybody needs to know. The orange blush is something that's really subtle, so I think that's why it works on like any skin tone. This is Nikkie Tutorials OG to a nose contour. Don't forget to clean it up. Here we also have another video that's nose contour, but a little more of like the more intermediate type of phase, not beginner. Then all you gotta do is clean it up and you're good to go. So bay powder is what everybody has been using lately to do their face, and here is the results. This has been trending on TikTok for a really long time. I've even tried it, but I didn't have such good results as everybody else, but apparently it works on any skin tone, shape, size, anything. This was one of the hacks that TikTok lied to us about. But some people it worked, or me personally it didn't work. But as you can see on everybody else it worked, except me. I think I'm not doing it right maybe. This went really viral when everybody was learning how to facelift their face. It was really difficult at that time to like get that lift, get that oomph. But look at how easy everybody made it for us now. See how beautiful she turns out. This is the previously and what it actually is now. Look at how amazing she actually looks, like the transformation. This has been the OG that everybody has been doing to get a higher coverage foundation. I have been doing it, especially for clients. Like sometimes people want a more heavier coverage, and this is the only way that you can give them the heavier coverage. Look at how amazing it turns out. Right here we have the hack to lift your eyes, more like the foxy smoky eye, but like the very neat subtle one that has been trending lately. Look at how amazing it actually looks. All it takes is that lift in your eyes. Lashes actually make a really big difference on your face if you didn't actually notice that. Also, the pullback in the hair looks really, really good. This was when TikTok like just came out. This hack came out where you have to moisturize first. Then you take your translucent powder, tap it onto your face. Once you're done with that, take in your primer, no, your setting spray. Then spray that all over your face. Then take your primer and just spray it onto your face and then put on your foundation. Apparently, it really works. So it does actually work because I've done it on my channel. It looks absolutely amazing, but all you need is time to do everything and to remember everything. This I've watched, it actually works on people whose face is like my shape, like more roundish, kind of ovalish. So it carves out these areas like a lot more. But here you need to have your concealer, you need to have your bronzer, you also need to have a shade darker than the actual skin tone, and you're going to be good to go. The one thing that I can never perfect is my nose. I just can't get my nose right for a contour. It looks absolutely amazing. Here we have the cheap versus expensive makeup, and I feel like the drugstore makeup sometimes works a whole lot better than the expensive. Sometimes there's literally no difference, not even in the coverage of anything. Have a look at that. Look at how amazing both sides look. Like there's literally no difference. Can you guys see the difference? Because I literally can't. This was a video a few years ago from TikTok. I have seen this personally and I've even done it. I even used a voiceover. So what you need to do is take your foundation, put it on, then after take some setting spray, like a lot of the setting spray on your face. Let it dry for a good amount of time, and then you're gonna let it get a bit tacky and then blend it all out. She said that she found it out by accident, like once when she wasn't doing her makeup, like paying attention to what she was actually doing, and she actually found out. So how to get the Korean skin that celebs all have? You just need some foundation, you need some primer, and you need some highlight liquid, or you can use the other one. I've tried it with both. It works personally with liquid much better, but literally anything works. Beauty tip I wish I knew previously: take an ice cube every single morning and put it all over your face. This works, but the amount of time you need, the amount of patience, nothing. I'm really not sure about this, but like I've seen it in the comments that it was really working and whatnot, so yeah, why not? This makes me feel so dumb because I never in my life thought about using a wooden spoon to actually pick up my products. This is what I love about TikTok, like there's so many different ideas you don't think about but actually works. Speaking about that, hydrating your scalp, who even thinks about that? I would just leave my hair like this all day long. So anyway guys, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out guys.